look at this. You see this? DWT.
DW junk.
Fantastic. Look at this. So easy to get to. Hey, B. What are you doing?
What's this other for? I've not used this before.
It's to lock it down on the valve stem. You gotta like push it and then push it on the valve stem and then let go of it and then. There's gonna be plenty of cuts. You don't even have to cut it. They'll all be cut up by me. Kawasaki. The air's not going in, Alex.
I know, but it's not.
It's not fucking going in.
Pissing me the fuck off because it barely fits.
Oh, man, there's a smaller tool over there.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Jesus Christ.
Did you bring the turbo blue?
Yes.
Sweet.
Blue gas in there.
Blue gas.
Blue gas makes it faster.
Fuck, son. Ugh.
Hey, What's their problem?
Rocky's an asshole. He's just old and Bella's annoying the shit out of him. She's like,
Zoe's freaking the fuck
she's
out.
trying to play with him. She's like getting down.
She like is like so freaking awkward.
So let's come in nice and easy on the welding truck. Bam, new trailer. There she is, 12-footer, single axle. Yeah. Kawasaki.
Here for a minute. Yeah. I guess this is what laying on the couch for 2 years straight looks like.
Yeah, but we look good doing it.
Obviously.
Laying on the couch, I mean.
Oh yeah. Shut the hell up, I don't even want to hear it.
Fucking short Italian motherfucker.
Damn it! But I just suck just enough. Ugh.